Okay, today is August 10th, 2023, and I am currently at the Lost Island Water Park in Waterloo, Iowa right now with my mom. We're currently, we're actually getting a snack right now, and I found a couple units here, so I thought I'd make a quick video of them. Here we have a Lennox T-Class unit. This unit has a Copeland scroll compressor, I think. This is from 2019, and this is a 4-ton. Yeah, it's got a Copeland scroll compressor, pretty sure. And then right here is a refrigerator component of some kind. It's a Heatcraft. Has a reciprocating compressor of some kind. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of these two units, and there's actually even more units at this place that I'll be filming pretty soon, because we're about to be we're gonna be leaving here soon because the place is closing. There is a couple units behind one of the cafes here. But yeah. Yeah, there's one of the water slides that just went off. But yeah, right after I stopped recording, this unit came on. Pretty quiet, actually. It's a little bit dirty, but still a decent unit in my opinion. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.